Shalom, shalom. First and foremost, giving all praises to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Rakakodash. Double honors unto the elders and apostles of Great Millstone. Peace, safety, salutations up to the hopeful elect. It's your brother Kasad Bon Yehuda, and I'm coming at you in a quick lesson through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahushai, Ba'ashem, Rakakodash. And in today's lesson, I just want to get into a quick one here, man. Ecclesiasticus 39 and 30 says, teeth of wild beasts and scorpions, serpents, and the sword, punishing the wicked to destruction, man. So you Edomites in these last days, that's going to happen to Jake too, but I'm just mainly focusing on you Edomites. So you Edomites in these last days are not only going to be visited with civil unrest, race riots, you're also going to be visited by wild animals. The Lord is not playing with you Edomites. So we'll read this again, Ecclesiasticus 39 and 30. Teeth of wild beasts and scorpions, serpents, and the sword, punishing the wicked to destruction, man. You know what I mean? So the serpents and the sword could be the gun, scorpions, serpents, other animals. But in this instance, we can focus on the teeth of the wild beast. Now, we're going to jump over here, look at a quick video here. Fair use, fair use. I'm making no money off this video, just edifying. Okay, so that was it. With that, then there's another one. I've seen this recently. Check this out. Same here. You see the pride of you Edomites, man. You see she got the gun. Like, you niggas, why don't you just stay home, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? The scripture says he's given power to take peace from the earth. Like, nigga, just leave them animals alone. It's spiritual. Like, what makes you want to even get around big ass animals like that, man? And what's so crazy about when this hippo flips the boat, look how effortlessly and just it was smooth, effortless, and tenacious all at the same time, man. Just look how this hippo just hits this boat, man.
Come up. Under the engines are counting. Come up.
Fair use. But yeah, man, these animals ain't playing with you Edomites, man. Let's see, bear, Salaki, bear attack. Fair use. Look at this nigga, man. You see the way this nigga ran up, bro? God damn. And then you gotta imagine too, like, imagine if the Lord. Now this is an older video, but I'm just, just imagine, bro. Hey, look at the comment. It says that wide stance is terrifying, man, bro. You imagine the Lord send a demon to possess that nigga, man. All right, let's see this, man. These animals ain't playing with you, Esau. They gonna come and get you. All right, let's check out the video, man. That nigga didn't give a fuck. Let's see this. Lion hunter. See lion. Hey, man. Here's a video. Yep, here we go.
Having debilitating student loan.
Oh Okay, this is another fair use, fair use. Check this out. Fast forward a little bit. Yeah, Esau, you're gonna be in some trouble, man. But I'm in it there giving all praises to Yahweh by Shem Yahushai, by Shem Rakakadash, Shalom.